are you all? Let's start our class with a riddle. So as always, we start our class with a riddle to energize you. Okay, so let's get energized. What breaks as soon as you say its name? Yes, the answer is silence. Silence breaks unless as soon as we speak something. Okay, so we say something, so silence breaks. Now, before moving forward, you have to answer some of my questions. Do you have friends? Okay, you might have friends, right? So, do you know what is friendship means? Why we make friends? What does friendship means? So, friendship is something, that friend is something who who helps you when you need it really. Okay, so friend, one proverb is also very famous. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, so today's story is Wilbur learns to make friends. Wilbur learns to make friends. This is a story in which a little girl who wanted to make friends, but she was very shy to make friends. So how she learns to make friends in this story, we are going to see. Okay, and I hope you are going to enjoy this story. So open textbook page number 36. Wilbur learns to make friends. Here, children, you can see here one little girl, Wilbur. She is a witch girl. What are witches? So, for your knowledge, witch means a wise woman. Okay, a witch used her broom to sweep away all the evil. She used her cauldron to brew powerful medicines from rare herbs. So you can see her cauldron, and a witch uses this band and her cloak, pointed hat, broom, and cat. So and she witches do magic. Okay, to just keep away the evils, sweep away all the weevils. She uses broom. Okay, so this is the story of a little witch girl, Wilbur. So let's start the lesson on page number 37. It was Halloween. All witches were getting ready on party on the moon. To party on the moon. Wilbur was a little witch girl. She was very excited about partying with little witch girls from other parts of the world. Now, this is a Halloween season. It was Halloween season, and Halloween is a festival celebrated mainly in spoiled. Willow ran to the old witch broom maker and explained her sad condition. She pleaded. Pleaded means begged, like she requested, kind of. Sir, make me a new broom, please. Sorry, Willow, I don't have any branches to make a broom, said the kind man. Who was the kind man? An old witch broom maker. He was very kind and he told that I have no branches to make broom. Oh, it's Halloween. It will be such fun on the moon. I know. I don't want to miss the party, he said. I don't want you to miss the party, he said. Ran to the willow tree. Run to the willow tree. Ask him to give you an armful of branches. Bring it and the best broom will be yours soon. Now, willow told, I want to go to the party on the moon, but I can't make it with this broom. So the old broom maker told, if you want, I know that it's you want to go to the party on the moon, but I cannot make it without branches. So I need an armful of branches. Bring it, and the best broom will be all yours soon. Okay, if you will get the branches, I will make the broom for you. Oh, I don't know the willow tree. How can I talk to him? Now she was very shy and she told that I don't know the willow tree. How can I go and talk to him? The kind man looked at the shy witch girl and said, it's up to you, Willow. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. What the witch broom maker told by seeing the shy girl, he said, it's up to you. It depends on you. Okay, if you will, the choice is yours whether you want to go to the willow tree and talk, or you want to feel shy and sit back. It's up to you. It depends on you. Alright, I try, said Willow. She ran to the tree. Now she ran to the tree and she said, I will try. Willow tree, I am Willow. Please give me some branches to take to the witch broom maker. She promised to make a broom that can fly me to the moon. Now she asked for the branches and she told that witch broom maker has told me, he has promised me that he would make a broom out of the branches. So please give me some branches. The willow tree replied weakly, I wish I could, but look at me. Ever since the well stopped sending me water, my branches stopped growing. Run to the well and ask him to send me some water. Now he has expressed his feeling that without water I won't be able to grow my branches. So first go to well and ask him to supply the water. If I get some water, I will grow some fresh branches. Fine branches will be mine and yours to take. He told that if I get some water, then only I can make fine branches, and with my fine branches you can take them. Oh dear, said the shy witch girl, Willow. I don't know the well. Now she said, I don't know the well. How can I go and talk to him? So willow tree also told, it's up to you, Willow. This is something you must know. You know, if you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. That willow tree also told, it's up to you. It depends on you. You have to choose. You want to be shy or you want to make friends. You want to ask if you want to go on the moon. Alright, I try. so I am not able to supply water. Okay, if you roll the stone of me, I'll send water to the tree. What he said? If you will roll the stone away from me, then I'll be able to send my water. That's easy, said Wilbur. She began to push the stone, but the stone was too heavy. Wilbur tried to cast a spell on the stone. Now Wilbur, as she was witch girl, she was having a band and she used to do magic. So she has started making a cast a spell. Spell means kind of mantras. She started spelling on the stone. Spell means words that have magical power. So what she spelled? Witch's spell and witch's brew. Here is a spell from the little Wilbur. Stone move off the well, will you? So she wanted, this is very funny, she wanted to cast the spell and she wanted the stone to move all by itself, but it was not possible, it couldn't happen. Nothing happened. Wilbur began to cry and she began to cry. Now what is the brew? Brew means make a drink by mixing and boiling various things. Like witch girls, I told you witch girls uses cauldron to make a brew. Here, this is. They keep one big pot, cauldron means a big pot. They keep on the fire and they mixes herbs in it and they make some medicines. Okay, by make some brew by using medicines. So Wilbur began to cry because it was not happening. Nothing happened. Her tears fell on the stone. The stone felt sorry for her. Wilbur, he said, spells never do any magic. Only friends can. Now children, this you need to understand that any magic, any kind of spell doesn't work. What works? A friendship works. So you also should make many of your friends, and you should also be helpful so that you may have many friends. So only magic can make, friends can make the magic. So he said the same. Friends, what is that? Now Wilbur was not aware of making friends. She cried, a friend is someone who helps you, he explained. Go to the thatch house on the top of the hill. Now thatch house is a house which has a roof made up of straw and hay, etc. Okay, so thatch house on the top of the hill, it was there. You will meet Valerie. Ask her to help you. Now he told to go to Valerie and ask her to help her. She used to live in the thatch house. Oh no, I don't know her. How can I ask her to help me? Cried Wilbur. Now Wilbur told, I don't know Valerie. How can I go? Again she has started feeling shy. The stone sang. It's up to you, Wilbur. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. Again he told the same words that before also old man and willow tree told. Alright, said Wilbur. She ran to Valari's house. When she got there, she said, hello, I am Wilbur. Please help me roll the stone off the well. She said, please help me out to just keep the stone away from the well so that the water can flow and willow tree can get the water and can give the branches to the willow so that she can make the broom with the help of broom maker. Okay, so this happened. Sure, said Valerie. Can I bring my friends too? Certainly, said Wilbur. Certainly means surely. Will they help us to push the stone? She asked. Of course, said Valerie. Friends always help. well. Now all of them helped to push the stone of the well away from the well. Immediately a well gurgled, gurgled means a kind of sound like water flowing quickly, okay, through the narrow space. So this sound they have heard, and the tree soaked the water and gave the children the best branches. The witch broom maker sat down to make the longest broom ever. Now the old witch broom maker has made the longest broom ever. It was so powerful that she could fly on the moon. Okay, so soon a lovely long broom was ready. Wilbur was so happy, she was very happy. She invited her new friends and the witch broom maker to the moon. She was so happy that she has given invitation to her friends also. Now they have become friends. So they were very eager to party on the moon. So off they flew. Now all the friends sat on the long broom which was made by broom maker. First you can see Wilbur and all her friends sat on the broom and they off to the moon for the party. Okay, so this was the story, and this story says how important to make friends. We should not feel shy and we should be always ready to make friends. Okay, so friends can make magic. Okay students, so I hope you like the story, and with the